I just shot my shot with Alex Warren.
Premium will be the go-to destination for all GT3 RS owners. But now when you see it coming together, the look's just gonna be crazy.
Boom, 2026, we're starting off the year very strong. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right behind us, we got Alex Warren's GT3 RS.
Alex Warren.
The angels up in the clouds, not yet this known we found. Something so wild, the ordinary.
Huge, big collaboration project we're doing. AL13, 1016, pure PPF, and premium. Walk with me through this project while I talk to you guys about it. Obviously, it's a white car. Obviously, we do full disassembly to get that proper installation, get a proper final look. We have a 1016 kit going on. Look at these wheels. These are the AL13 beautifully spec'd wheels kitted for a GT3 RS. We're gonna be changing the color of this guy as well as installing the full 1016 kit as I mentioned. Stay tuned, we're gonna show you guys how we do the entire project. Boom.
I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl. I'd rather lie than confuse you, girl. Truth is we left them, they want us gone. Truth is they can't handle me at the top. I'd rather spare you the details, my love.
Boom. Zaccaroni.
That's good. Honestly, I want to finish a good portion of this Porsche, bro. We're gonna put on this pure. I personally only like to use Vor, but for this time, there's one time only, we're gonna use pure. So we can show those guys from Diamond Auto Salon was good.
How far you want it? We're gonna go all the way.
All right, you see the guys working on the GT3 RS. Let me show you what else we have in the shop. These are kind of like our quick flip, day in, day out, bread and butter, daily in and out. So you got a Cybertruck, full body PPF. It's done at Innos Tech, stainless steel blue finish. We also did the calipers. So we powder coated the calipers blue. We put the Cybertruck logo on it. It looks really good. We got another one over here, colored PPF from Miracle Coat. What else, bro?
We have this GT3 RS right behind us.
This is the epitome of what we do here. So it's getting the full treatment for the GT3 RS. Going into 2026, one of our biggest goals that we have is to become the GT3 RS shop. I want to say it on camera right now, right here. Premium will be the go-to destination for all GT3 RS owners.
These guys have 24 hours. Will this get done? We don't know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get done. Andres has no choice, and I truly think he's gonna knock it out of the park. What do you think?
Yeah.
He said, yeah. Zach is actually doing door jams right now. Not an easy task. You haven't even drank water. Good, good. Hey, stay thirsty, my friend. These guys will be working till 5 a.m. Going home for one nap, coming back here at 7 a.m. sharp. Fully dressed up, smelling good, sexy. And then they're gonna finish up this car. And Andres will be finalizing the vehicle. Back to factory spec. We have the premium 1016 AL13 pure PPF collaboration of the fucking year. Alex Warren is currently in our DMs right now. We messaged him, let's do a project together, Alex. A while back, June 13th. Look at us. I didn't even see that. He said, let me know if you guys got any photo updates. I'm gonna send him a photo right now. I'm gonna send him a video actually. Let's go ahead and FaceTime Alex Warren right now for the vlog. I just shot my shot with Alex Warren. Let's hop on a video call. I'm looking at the vehicle right now. Danny, I got Alex Warren about to video call us. I hope.
So if you guys didn't know, this vehicle belongs to Alex Warren. Alex Warren has probably one of the most recognized songs when it comes to weddings and baby showers and anything love related. It's my son and my wife's favorite song. So 6 months ago, I was posting some Porsche content on my personal Instagram, and I saw somebody view my story with the blue check mark, and it happened to be Alex Warren. I told my wife, I said, hey, look, we're gonna get Alex Warren's car here, and then lo and behold, here it is. 6 months later, Alex Warren's GT3 RS is here. Interior done by our guys over at Bespoke. They killed it. This is actually a package that we are working on now, where we apply the PPF, we apply the 1016 body kit, we do the AL13 wheels, and we do the interior. So we're building out a Porsche package. If you own a GT3 RS, this is gonna be the shop to go to. But shout out Alex Warren, thank you so much. Put a little sound clip.
Jealous knowing we found something so wild, we'll be ordinary. You got me kissing the ground, we'll be sanctuary. Try to be what you done, oh Lord, return me to dust. The angels up in the clouds are jealous knowing we found.
Don't hold back, tell the truth.
Tell the truth?
Yeah, you know,
100%.
if it was good, it needs to be talked about. If it was hard to work with, it has to be talked about.
One thing I want to mention is that I'm not only looking at it from an installer's point of view. When you change the film up too much, I'm going to be struggling on all different types of levels. So when it came down to coming to this film, it was a really big struggle because the film is like very different. The way the adhesive works, the way the air releases, the solutions they use, just everything that you do about this film is just completely different. And they told us that, you know, we clearly don't know what we're doing. But I mean, this thing came out fantastic. No matter what, you know, like I can always dial it in, always figure it out. But specifically this pure film, it was very difficult for me to dial it in. It took a few tries. But from an installer's point of view and from having my own film company, this stuff is very difficult if you don't know what you're doing.
Every brand has different characteristics that make them unique, and every installer is going to tell you that they have a preference. You know, Zach is one of the most talented PPF installers I've ever had in the shop, and he's also an owner of his own PPF company, so he knows PPF very well, from the TPUs and the glues and the adhesives that are used. He knows all of the science behind creating a film. What I will say is it's a different experience, and as an installer, when you're going through using different films, you're gonna know that each brand carries a different experience. The experience that I can say from a business owner's perspective is, as we were installing this, any issues that we had, Pure PPF communicated with us all the way through. It's something that I look for and I admire as a business owner. They gave us guidance, they gave us information, they sent us videos. When we needed more material, they took care of us, got it here fast. So those are the type of things I'm looking for from any company that we're working with, is accountability, reliability, and just support. Shout out Pure PPF for that. It's like learning a new brand all over again. He's used to the VOR PPF, moved into the Pure PPF, different experience. That's all.
And just like that, guys, the Alex Warren GT3 RS build is completed. You guys see it on Instagram. Make sure to check us out on Instagram, as well as everybody that was a part of that build. 1016, AL13, Creative Bespoke, Pure PPF, and of course, Premium. Thank you guys for watching this video. In this next video, you guys will be seeing this GT3 RS in its full glory. Master Shaft exhaust getting installed. See you guys on the next one.